The ocean is deeper than you think. The ocean is so deep that many people cannot imagine how big and mysterious it truly is. It covers more than 70% of our planet, making it one of the most important parts of Earth. Scientists say that we have explored only a small part of the ocean, and most of it is still unknown to us. In the deepest areas, the water is completely dark because sunlight cannot reach those depths. The pressure at the bottom of the ocean is so strong that humans cannot go there without special machines. This makes the ocean a place full of secrets waiting to be discovered. Many strange and amazing animals live in the deep ocean where light does not exist. Some of these animals have glowing bodies that help them find food or protect themselves from danger. Others have long, sharp teeth because food is hard to find at such deep levels. The cold water and high pressure make the deep ocean very different from the world we know on land. Scientists often discover new species that no one has ever seen before. These discoveries show how complex and interesting life in the ocean can be. The deep ocean also has enormous mountains, deep valleys, and underwater volcanoes. Some of these underwater mountains are taller than the mountains we see on land. There are also deep trenches, like the Mariana Trench, which is the deepest known place on Earth. If you dropped a stone into the trench, it would take a very long time to reach the bottom because it is so deep. Explorers use special submarines and robots to study these underwater landscapes. These machines help us learn more about the ocean without risking human lives. Understanding the deep ocean is important because it affects the weather, climate, and even the air we breathe. The ocean produces much of the oxygen we use every day, thanks to tiny plants living in the water. It also absorbs heat from the sun, helping to keep the planet's temperature stable. Many countries depend on the ocean for food, travel, and jobs, making it essential for our daily lives. The more we learn about the deep ocean, the better we can protect it from pollution and damage. Exploring the ocean helps us understand how amazing and powerful nature truly is. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, comment, and follow us for more.